Hi, lifestyle lovers. My mom is cooking brunch for me, for moi. Make sure you put this in your vlog. Lifestyle lovers.
Baby, she just gonna open my vlog. Baby, can I talk to my lifestyle lovers first?
Hi, lifestyle lovers.
And introduce you.
This is the Dundada.
No, I'm the Dundada. Good morning, lifestyle lovers. Today is Saturday. It is the first day of the weekend vlog. Welcome back to It's E Lifestyle. If you are new here, welcome, honey. So me and my daughter, we just finished having breakfast, or probably brunch, because it's 12 o'clock. So I fried some salmon, as you guys seen in the earlier clip. We had some grits and eggs, and we're drinking some mimosas, honey. So this is my daughter Neri, if you guys are new to my channel.
Hello.
So we was just sitting up here talking. She is a nurse. She is currently going to nursing school to continue her education. I'm so proud of my baby. But so yeah, she was just telling me her drama at her job with people stealing pills.
Mom,
Can I
don't
say that? No, I can't say that.
Don't be
Okay. So what's on the agenda this weekend? This is actually my sister's birthday weekend. She turns 49 on Monday. So there is a dinner at probably, I think it's around 5 o'clock. And then she's having
early.
Yeah, that's probably the only time she could get reservations.
Where again?
Tarragacha. So it's like a, excuse me. It's like a Brazilian steakhouse where they kind of come around. You ever been to Tarragacha? They come around with different type of meats. They have all type of meats, but I don't think I'm gonna be indulging that much because I've been indulging already all this week.
You want me to pour you another mimosa?
Yes, honey. Why not?
My food was really good.
So yeah, so that's pretty much what's on the agenda this weekend, lifestyle lovers. Dinner at 5. What else? Brunch tomorrow, and then I have to check in with my client. I'm trying to get ready to go ahead and finish that project up next month, so I want to, you know, pretty much wrap that up. You got it? So that, what you got to say? Look, you better knock my camera over.
And Seafood Sunday.
We having a Seafood Sunday?
Yeah, I know I'm having a Seafood Sunday. I told you about that.
You what? No, you didn't. You work Sunday.
No, I don't. Mom told you about that last night. I said something about us cooking crabs. And
What
you said y'all was
time?
already, you and Sheila was already talking about cooking crabs. You don't remember saying that?
Val said she if we couldn't do it early, she wasn't gonna do it because
I talked to her yesterday. She said okay. She ain't saying nothing about no time.
oh, she said she told Sheila she couldn't do it. If it wasn't, what time you cooking crabs?
I told her I'm sleeping in a little bit. Not that late, but I'm sleeping in because I'm working 3 to 11, 11 to 7. And then when I wake up, whenever she ready.
Oh, well, she said if we couldn't do it by 1 or 2, she ain't want to do it. That's what
I
she told
called and see what
Sheila.
she said.
Look at Val trying to double book. I know you're watching her.
Right.
Baby, you trying to, baby, she gonna tell her friends no, but you're gonna tell your niece yes. Baby, don't play with me.
Double booking.
Baby, she double booking crab pots. Girl, stop it. Ghetto. We ghetto over here.
Mix it up a little bit, Mom.
And you don't mix it up. You just supposed to pour the champagne first and then pour the orange juice on top. So that's it for that's pretty much it for this weekend, lifestyle lovers. I'm gonna go ahead, finish talking to my daughter, and then I'll check back in with you guys probably when I get ready to head to dinner.
Bye. Peace out.
She's so crazy, y'all. Hey, lifestyle lovers. So I'm getting ready to head to my sister's birthday dinner, and it takes me like 2 hours to get ready. I know this. If I don't start 2 hours ahead of time, I'm not going to get to the event on time. So I started 2 hours ahead of time. I look at my phone. I'm like, okay, I'm doing good on timing. And I'm like, okay, you know, walk out the door in about 15 minutes. It's 4:45 now. Guess what time the dinner started? 4:45. I was thinking it started at 5:45, so my plans was to walk out the door at 5 o'clock. But here I am, still home. So I hope the 4:45 time was like a cushion time. You know how some people tell you a time and it's actually 15 to 30 minutes before because they know you're gonna be late. So hopefully that's the case. So I'm just gonna put on my lipstick, but I'm ready to go. I am ready to go. It's my cousin, y'all. Hello. Okay, lifestyle lovers. So that was my cousin who called me. She's gonna be late as well. So she's just getting off work, and she was hoping that the time was a cushion time. But I'm getting ready to head out the door, so I won't be too late. I hate being late, but you guys know I'm always late. That's so freaking rude. But since I'm already late, I just want to go ahead and show you what I'm wearing. So here is my outfit of the night. Hopefully I can get a picture. Okay, no. So this shirt is from Express. You guys know I don't do much shopping, but I may be able to link this shirt because I recently purchased it. And it has the kind of like a what do you call this? Like the puff sleeves. It looks a little spaceshipy to me. It's not a shirt, it's actually a bodysuit. And then I am wearing my Gucci Marmont belt. And then I have on some army fatigue joggers. And then I am rocking my Gucci Mary Jane pumps. So since I'm going to be sitting down, I can rock the pumps. And so that's pretty much it. I think I'm going to carry, let's see. So I was going to carry my Gucci Soho bag, but I just don't want to be Gucci down to the socks. So I'm going to carry my, what is this called? Louis Vuitton Nice Mini. And I just took the chain off, so I'm going to tote it just like this. It's actually a, what do you call it? Like a cosmetic case. But I have a chain that I can carry it as a crossbody, but I'm just going to take the chain off and carry it. I'm going to just take my Louis Vuitton wallet and my phone and my red lipstick, and that's it. I am packing light tonight. I think I got everything. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. So this is pretty much my look for tonight. Hopefully I can get some pictures, but this is how we're doing it. I went ahead and did my nails, so I have the kind of like a matte blue nail press-ons. You guys know, most of you know I wear press-ons, so I'm ready to go, y'all. This bread is good. This not a picture now, y'all. This video.
Oh, she's vlogging.
I'm vlogging.
It's her birthday. It's her birthday.
Hi lifestyle lovers, so today is Sunday. It is the second day of the weekend vlog and I'm getting ready to head out the door. So today is pretty much going to be, I guess, like a girlfriend's day. It is my sister's birthday weekend and one of my good friends is in town from Dallas, Texas. So she wants, of course, a Duval, Florida crab pot. So that's what we're doing. I know you guys get so tired of seeing me eat crabs, but that's just what we do here in Florida. So I don't know if this is a Duval thing or a Florida thing. So if you're from Florida and you guys eat crabs or seafood all the time, comment below because that's all we do. But so I'm headed out the door. I need to go to the store, grab a few things for the pot. I shared in an earlier vlog what I put in my crab pot, so you guys already know the secret ingredients. But so yeah, so I'm just headed out the door and I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit.
This face ain't but so big, bro.
Tell the like Jay-Z say, you won't be. Better bring your bag. You better bring it. You better bring it. Come on, okay.
1, 2, 3.